Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. This is part 1 of exploring initial DEX offerings, IDOs, a guide for investors and projects. Are you ready to dive into the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency fundraising? Initial DEX offerings, or IDOs, are shaking up the DeFi space, offering a new way for blockchain projects to raise capital. Unlike traditional fundraising, IDOs take advantage of decentralized exchanges to provide instant liquidity and accessibility. This means more opportunities for investors and less dependence on middlemen. In this video, we'll explore how IDOs work, why they're gaining popularity, and what they mean for the future of finance. Whether you're an investor seeking new avenues or a blockchain enthusiast curious about the latest trends, this guide will equip you with key insights into the IDO phenomenon. What is an initial DEX offering? Cryptocurrency has revolutionized the way we think about money, and initial DEX offerings, IDOs, are part of this digital shift. But what exactly is an IDO, and how does it differ from other types of fundraising? Let's take a closer look. IDOs are a new way for blockchain projects to raise funds. Imagine you're launching a new app and need startup money. In the crypto world, you'd use an IDO to sell your project's tokens on a decentralized exchange, DEX. This means people can buy your tokens directly from the exchange, often in exchange for popular cryptocurrencies like Ether or Bitcoin. How IDOs differ from traditional fundraising. Traditional fundraising often involves a lot of middlemen and red tape. Think about going to a bank for a loan or talking to venture capitalists. These methods are time-consuming and can be limiting. With IDOs, you skip the middleman. It's like selling lemonade directly to your thirsty neighbors rather than convincing a store to stock your lemonade. Speed. One of the biggest perks of IDOs is how quickly projects can raise funds. There's no need for lengthy approval processes or massive paperwork. Accessibility. Because IDOs happen on decentralized platforms, they're open to anyone with internet access, allowing a broader range of investors to participate. Lower costs. Without intermediaries, projects often save money, which can be crucial for startups with limited budgets. Comparing IDOs to other token offerings. IDOs are not the only token offering game in town. We also have ICOs, initial coin offerings, and IEOs, initial exchange offerings. So, what sets IDOs apart? ICOs typically happen on a project's website, making them more centralized. IDOs, happening on DEXs, offer greater transparency and security. IEOs are like IDOs but are conducted on centralized exchanges. This means more control but also more costs and less accessibility compared to IDOs. In essence, IDOs are like going straight to the source. They offer a more direct, efficient, and inclusive way to raise funds in the crypto landscape. Ready to explore further? The next sections will dive into how to get involved with an IDO and the potential risks and rewards. The rise of IDOs in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The world of cryptocurrency constantly evolves, with initial DEX offerings, IDOs, as its latest star. IDOs are like the new kid on the block, rapidly reshaping how projects and investors come together. But how did we get here? Let's dig into the history and trends that led to the rise of IDOs. Historical context. The journey to IDOs started with the birth of token offerings. Initially, there were initial coin offerings, ICOs, which took the crypto scene by storm around 2017. ICOs allowed projects to raise funds directly from the public without middlemen, catching both tech enthusiasts and risk-takers' eyes. However, they soon faced issues like scams and a lack of regulation, leading to a decline in popularity. Next came security token offerings, STOs, and initial exchange offerings, IEOs, which tried to add more security and trust. STOs involved regulatory compliance, while IEOs used centralized exchanges to conduct token sales. Both had their benefits, yet neither became the perfect solution. This gap paved the way for IDOs to emerge. IDOs brought decentralized exchanges, DEXs, into the spotlight. With IDOs, tokens launch directly on a DEX, ensuring anyone can participate with no centralized authority standing in the way. This democratic approach attracted innovators and investors alike, striving for transparency and fairness. Market trends. Fast forward to today, and IDOs are booming. Why? They're efficient, fast, and accessible. Let's look at what's driving their growth. Access for all. IDOs don't exclude small-time investors. Anyone with a digital wallet can join, breaking barriers that once favored only large investors. Quick liquidity. Projects benefit from immediate liquidity since tokens are instantly available on DEXs, creating a more dynamic trading environment. Rising popularity of DEXs. With issues like high fees and security breaches in centralized exchanges, users are shifting to DEXs, where IDOs naturally fit in. Evolving technologies. Blockchain technology keeps improving, making IDOs more robust and attractive to businesses looking to launch tokens. Despite being relatively new, some stats show that IDOs are experiencing impressive growth. Reports suggest a steady increase in the number of IDOs and the total capital raised through this method. More and more projects are choosing IDOs over previous models, showcasing their growing influence. In summary, IDOs are shaping the world of crypto fundraising by marrying innovation and accessibility. With DEXs underpinning their infrastructure, IDOs are redefining how projects engage with the community, marking a significant shift in the cryptocurrency landscape. How IDOs work. Initial DEX offerings, IDOs, bridge the gap between blockchain projects and investors. They allow developers to raise funds by offering tokens directly on decentralized exchanges, DEXs. This process is not just revolutionary but also creates opportunities for both parties. Understanding the workings of IDOs is essential for anyone diving into the world of crypto investments. Let's break it down into easy-to-understand steps and the technical infrastructure that supports them. Steps involved in an IDO. Participating in an IDO involves several clear steps for both project teams and investors. Here's how it typically unfolds. Project development. The team behind the project develops their idea and creates a strategic plan. This includes defining the problem their project solves and how their token will function. Token creation. Once the project is defined, the team creates a token. This token often has specific utility within their ecosystem, making it vital for attracting investors. Smart contract setup. Smart contracts automate various functions in the IDO process. They ensure that the funds from investors go directly to the project team while managing the token distribution in a secure manner. Liquidity pool establishment. The project team sets up a liquidity pool on a DEX. This pool is essential for trading because it ensures that there are enough tokens available for buyers right from the start. Marketing and community engagement. Before launching, the project team needs to gain interest. They often engage with potential investors through social media, forums, or AMAs, Ask Me Anything, to build a community around their project. Launch of the IDO. The big day arrives. Investors can participate by purchasing tokens directly through the DEX. The smart contract facilitates the transaction, ensuring security for both buyers and sellers. Token trading. After the IDO, tokens enter the market. Investors can start trading them, which often leads to price fluctuations based on demand and supply. By following these steps, both developers and investors can navigate the IDO landscape more effectively. It's all about communication, trust, and making sure everyone knows the rules of the game. Technical infrastructure. The backbone of IDOs is their technical infrastructure, primarily consisting of blockchain platforms and smart contracts. Here's an in-depth look at these components. Blockchain platforms. Most IDOs occur on popular platforms like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon. These blockchains offer flexible frameworks for creating tokens and executing transactions. They enable security and transparency, which are crucial for building investor confidence. Smart contracts. These self-executing contracts are critical to the IDO process. When a transaction occurs, the smart contract automatically executes the terms without the need for intermediaries. This minimizes risks of fraud and ensures that funds are handled correctly. Think of it like a vending machine. Once you insert the correct amount, the machine delivers your snack without needing a cashier. Liquidity pools. These pools are collections of funds that facilitate trading on a DEX. They provide the liquidity that investors need to buy and sell tokens without waiting for a counterparty. By funding these pools, project teams create a market for their tokens right from the launch. It's similar to filling a swimming pool with water before people can swim. Without that water, no one can enjoy the pool. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the success of an IDO. They work together to create a seamless experience for both developers and investors, ensuring that everyone can participate in and benefit from the expanding world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Understanding these mechanics will empower you to make informed decisions in your crypto journey. Benefits of participating in IDOs. Initial DEX offerings, IDOs, present unique opportunities for both projects and investors. Understanding these benefits can help you make informed decisions in the ever-evolving world of crypto and blockchain. Let's break down the advantages for each group. For projects, participating in IDOs can significantly enhance a project's chances of success. Here are some benefits for projects launching IDOs. Fundraising. IDOs provide a platform for projects to raise funds quickly. Instead of going through traditional fundraising methods, which can take a long time and require extensive paperwork, IDOs can help projects secure investments in a matter of days or even hours. This speed allows projects to focus their energy on development instead of chasing investors. Community building. An IDO isn't just about raising money, it's also about building a community. When investors buy into a project, they often become supporters and ambassadors. This creates a dedicated group of people who are passionate about the project's success. Engaging with this community can lead to valuable feedback and enhance the overall development process. Access to broader audiences. Unlike private sales that target a select few, IDOs reach a wider audience. This inclusivity can attract diverse investors who bring different perspectives and networks. As a result, projects can tap into a larger pool of resources and ideas. Market validation. Successfully launching an IDO can serve as a vote of confidence. If people are willing to invest, it demonstrates that there is market interest in the project. This validation can be crucial when seeking partnerships or additional funding down the line. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.